Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, I am going to show you guys how to do my go-to date makeup look. This is so very simple and easy, so let's get started. Starting with YSL Touch Pro Primer is one of my favorite because it's nice and smooth. Next, I'm using the Hollywood Flawless Filter by Charlotte Tilbury. The shade is 4.5. This is a perfect glowy base. It's making my skin look glowy and healthy. And then I'm going to use Charlotte's Beautiful Skin Foundation. It's lightweight foundation, gives me a beautiful and natural skin. Blend it out with my damp beauty blender for making the foundation look more like skin. And next, I'm using Anastasia Magic Touch Concealer. It's so creamy, I love it. The shade is 6 by the way. And then I'm using the Rare Beauty brush. I'm blending it out with my finger, only using a tiny bit because it's very pigmented. For the powder, I'm using the Natural Finish Loose Powder from Chanel. This powder is giving you a natural finish. But if you want to look more glowy, you can use the brush instead of the pop. Next, I'm gonna use Too Faced bronzer. This shade is perfect for my skin tone, not too orange and not too brown. The smell is very nice. It actually smells like chocolate. For the brown, I'm using Brow It by Nongchat. This product is from Thailand. The shade is Glam Night Brown. I have been using this since I was in university. Slightly drawing my browns and using the mascara on the other side as well. For the eyeshadow today, I'm using Too Faced Born This Way palette. I'm using the light brown for my eyes, blending out underneath my brows for a base. And then I'm using the darker shade, apply on my eyelid and the bottom line as well. Blending everything together with the eyeshadow brush. Using the All Backstage Glow Face palette, apply on my eyelid again, make it glow and natural at the same time. Apply right under my eye as well. And then I'm using the brighter shade, apply right in the corner of my eyes. Using the black eyeliner in my waterline. And then I'm gonna use Maybelline Hyper Sharp for my wing liner. I'm just making it very thin and slightly drawing really close to my eyelashes. Then I'm gonna put on my fake eyelashes that I already cut it half. I like to put on half eyelashes because it makes it very natural. And then I'm going to put on mascara. I'm using the YSL one. This one makes my eyelashes really long. Next, I'm going to use the brush from Hourglass. This color is so pretty and this one lasts really long. And then I'm gonna use the same palette from Dior for my highlighter to make my face a little bit more glowy. And then I'm using the lip liner from Anastasia. The shade is Chai. So I always drawing my bottom lip a little bit bigger. So I think it's pretty. And then I'm gonna use lipstick from You. This one I got it from Thailand. The color is so pretty and really smooth and hydrating as well. I'm gonna set everything with the MAC setting spray. Oops, someone just showed up. And then I'm gonna use the perfume from YSL. I have gotten a lot of compliments for using this perfume. And all done. This look is very perfect for going out on a date, also for everyday makeup. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Bye.